Stand back.
I like trees. I like trees.
I bring you the eternal night.
Tasty waves, cool smoothie. I owe her a smoothie. Smoothies count as one of your 5 a day. Your opinion, ma'am? All smoothies are 100% carbon neutral. Recycling is Nanostar is totally ruining the planet, dude. I'm here to help. Let's save the planet and use wind energy. Let's save the planet and use wind energy. You ever think about the universe? We're just floating on a...
Trees.
Hooray! A smoothie! If water didn't fry my electronics, I'd be surfing right. Hey, you seen Wendy around? I owe her a smoothie. Our smoothies are packed with GVO. You ever think about the universe? We're just floating on a... Nanostar is totally ruining the planet, dude. Nanostar is totally ruining the planet, dude. Our smoothies are packed with GVO. Good vibes. Smoothies count as one of your 5 a day. Smoothies count as one of your 5 a day. Nice. Totally good smoothie, dude. That's just like your opinion, man. Let's blast some tunes. Alright, Excellent! First, you're just floating on a rock through space.
Only my heart is stronger than my brain.
You seen Wendy around? I know where Hey, that's alright, my smarties too. All I need are some tasty waves and a cool smoothie.
Let's settle this beef. Let's settle this beef.